Hi, my name is Hadley McConnell, and today I'm going to talk about how suffering connects humanity. The summary of the story that I read is that a grieving mother attempted to obtain an asylum visa from the American Embassy. The American Embassy is to assist American citizens who travel to or live in the host countries. How the unnamed character relates to all of us because we all should suffer a little bit, and we all have in the past, and that connects us to humanity more. We need to suffer because if we did not suffer, then we would not know what happiness is. Suffering can make us empathetic and compassionate, and therefore make us better people. Suffering can help us understand others because we have been in the same situation. The main point of my speech is how to go through suffering, because people need to learn how to go through suffering, and there are many websites to figure it out, and you need to connect yourself and learn from other people. You need to reach out to your friends and family because they're what's going to help you get through it. And if you can't find people in your friends and family, then you need to reach out to people that you might not know yet that could help you, and get people that are more helpful in your life. There are a lot of ways to find help that is needed, and there are lots of websites, any doctor that you could go to. There are lots of people that reach out to people or inspire people, and there are lots of organizations to help people that might not know how to help themselves. So you need to reach out to these people. Just look it up. There's tons of websites, and find multiple that you could look at, and they could give you a different look at things. And just remember that you're not alone, and other people have gone through the exact same thing. My conclusion is that, as shown, suffering connects humanity, and we can understand this through the American Embassy by Ngozi Adichie. Knowing why we have to suffer, knowing how to get through suffering. And this has connected humanity today. This connects us to this story because it was not only happening back then, but it happens to a lot of people now. And we need to know what suffering is, and how to help others, and how to avoid to suffer, or how to get out of your situation of suffering, and how to realize that other people are suffering so that you can help them, because it is not fun to feel alone. So thank you for listening to my speech. I hope that you learned how to help people who are suffering, and read this story because it can really help you get an inside view about what suffering does. Thank you.